Hi everyone, roll this dough. We are going to make this beautiful shape using this. Now make 4 portions. Now we're going to give it shape using this comb. After this we are making wings here. Now make 4 such pieces and combine all of them together like this. Here we are going to make this beautiful butterfly. Roll it and give it shape like this. Paste its eyes and antennas like we're doing here, and look, your beautiful butterflies are ready. Let's make these bunny faces using 2 different color of dough, white and pink. Now fold it, cut it from the center, roll it like this. Again we are going to roll it like this and make a circle. Now put eyes and nose, and look, your bunny face are ready. We are going to use these 2 different color of dough. Roll it, again twist it like this, cut it and give it shape using fork like we're doing here. Here we're making 2 birds, so give it shape, paste their eyes, dab inside it like this, cut the beaks like we're doing here. Add more details like we're doing here. We are also cutting it and we are making the feathers, so cut it like this using scissors, and look, your beautiful birds are ready. In this video we are going to make dough art. Here we are rolling this white dough, spread it, now paste small pieces of pink dough. We are making this fish here, so we are making the scales, so twist the center part of the dough like this and make a similar way. We are going to make the fin using this fork, spread it. After this, using knife we are going to cut 4 small fins like this. Now we are going to add more lines on it like we are doing here. Similar way we are going to make the scale using this spoon. From the back side of it, paste the eyes and put these black dots inside it and give it shape to the front portion of the fish like we're doing here. Twist it and look, your fish is ready. Roll this pink dough in a small piece. Now we are going to tie a knot like we are doing here. Twist it like this. Now cut it. Here we are going to make 5 cuts like this. With the help of a comb, we are going to spread the corners and make a cut like we are doing here. Now we are going to make 5 fish like this. So add more details like this. The fins are ready. With the help of comb, similar way we are making the scales like this on all the 5 fishes like this. After this we are going to paste the eyes, put a cherry at the center, and look, your artwork is ready. Roll this dough and make a circle. Now fold it from its corners like this. Roll it from its bottom side. Again make a ring like this. Fold it. We are also going to use this fork and we are making this beak like this. Now take a scissor and cut from its sides like this. From both its sides like we're doing here. After this we are going to paste its eyes and cut the beak. We're also pasting this white dough at the top, and look, it is ready. Roll this dough. We are going to make a ball like this. Now squeeze a small part and make the nose of the pig. Give it shape. Now cut it using scissors. After this we are going to make 2 holes and make the nose of the pig. Similar way, make 2 cuts and press it, and the ears are ready. We are going to make the eyes of the pig. Add more patterns using a knife or spoon, and look, your pig face is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.